Okay, I want to show you my new glue gun. Now, I do a lot of crafts, and sometimes you just don't want that great big glue gun with a lot of hot glue coming out. So that's why I got this mini. Now, I like this real well. It's an electric plug-in. It's a 20 volt. Takes about 2 minutes for it to heat up. The thing I like about it is it has an on and off switch here, and then you see here the light. So you can leave this plugged in and then turn it off. You don't have to continuously unplug it to turn it off. This button is located on the left-hand side. That's one of the things I don't like about it, is because I am left-handed, so my hand will shut this off when I'm working on it. But other than that, as long as you're aware of what's going on, you don't seem to have a problem. And if you're right-handed, you really don't have a problem. And then it takes the small little sticks. It comes with 30 sticks, and it works real well. And it has the kickstand here to hold it up. But it just squirts out just enough glue that it works on these smaller projects. You know, you're still going to get those strings, but yet it's not nearly as much or as hot as a larger glue gun. And I like this really well for some of my smaller crafts. And that's it.